An eggshell is the hard outer covering of an egg, mostly made of calcium compounds. Here are the main chemical components. 1. Calcium carbonate O3. 94 to 97%. This is the main ingredient of eggshells. It's the same material found in chalk, limestone, and marble. Provides strength and rigidity to the shell. 2. Organic matrix proteins. 1 to 3%. Helps bind the calcium crystals together. Important for the shell's structure. 3. Other minerals. 1 to 2%. Includes magnesium carbonate, calcium phosphate, potassium, sodium, fluoride, zinc, and iron in tiny amounts. Uses of eggshells. Eggshells aren't just waste. They have many useful applications in science, health, farming, and crafts. 1. Soil fertilizer. Crushed eggshells are rich in calcium. Great for plants. Improves soil pH and prevents blossom end rot in tomatoes and peppers. 2. Chicken feed supplement. Ground eggshells can be added to poultry feed to help hens lay stronger eggs. 3. Calcium supplements for humans. After proper cleaning and processing, eggshell powder can be consumed as a natural calcium source. Used to prevent or treat osteoporosis. 4. Laboratory and industrial use. Used as a cheap source of calcium carbonate in experiments and eco-materials. 5. Cleaning scrub. Crushed shells can be mixed with soap or water to scrub pots or stains. 6. Crafts and decoration. Used in mosaic art, jewelry, and school projects. 7. Eco-friendly plastic fillers. Eggshell powder is being tested as an ingredient in making biodegradable plastics.